Midnight settles on the harbor road. Neon trembles on the window glass. I walk beneath the old familiar signs, where we once believed our days would last. One small suitcase waiting by the door, and a ticket folded in my coat. The corner diner hasn't changed at all. Your favorite table still is by the wall. I hear the jukebox playing something slow, and for a moment almost hear your call. But I don't turn around to search the room. Some memories belong to yesterday. I gave this town the best of who I was. I gave you every promise I could make. Tonight I'm leaving without blaming you. Some roads are ours alone to take. I'm taking the last train from the coast, leaving all these lights behind me. The ocean keeps the words we never said, and the night won't try to find me. I loved you more than I could ever show, but love can't always make us stay. When morning reaches these familiar streets, I'll already be miles away. Down by the pier, the fishing boats are still, their shadows moving underneath the moon. I touch the rail where you once held my hand, knowing dawn will come too soon. No photograph could ever hold this place the way it lives inside my heart. The station clock is moving past 4. A cold wind follows me across the square. I thought that leaving meant I'd lose it all. Now I know I'll carry what was there. Not every ending needs an enemy. Not every goodbye means love was wrong. Maybe years from now I'll hear your name and smile before the tears can start. You were a chapter I will never erase, but not the ending of my platform glows beneath the morning rain. The conductor calls, the doors begin to close. I take my seat beside the window pane, watching streets disappear that only we know. For the first time